In the evolving landscape of modern armored warfare, Russia has quietly but significantly enhanced one of its most potent anti-tank weapons. The upgraded Khrizantema-M, 9M123M, also known as the Khrizantema M, now delivers devastating strikes at an extended range of up to 10 kilometers while maintaining its signature blazing supersonic speed. This upgrade transforms an already formidable system into a more versatile standoff killer, bolstering Russia's ground and air forces with unmatched capabilities against heavily armored threats. The original Khrizantema system, entering service in 2005, was designed as a high-end replacement for earlier ATGMs like the Sturm and Ataka. Built around the 9M123 missile family by the KBM Design Bureau, it stands out for its dual guidance architecture and supersonic performance. The Khrizantema-M variant builds directly on this foundation, incorporating lessons from trials completed in 2016 and further refinements unveiled at the Army 2023 exhibition. The result is a missile that retains core strengths while pushing performance boundaries, making it a critical asset in contemporary conflicts. Core capabilities of the Khrizantema-M. At the heart of the system is the 9M123M missile, a supersonic powerhouse with an average speed of 400 meters per second, Mach 1.2, and peak velocities reportedly reaching Mach 1.3 or higher. This blazing speed means a missile can cover its maximum range in roughly 25 seconds, leaving enemy defenses with minimal reaction time. The solid-fuel rocket motor, with offset exhausts that spin the missile for stability, ensures precise flight even in challenging conditions. Range has been the standout improvement, from the original 400 to 6,000 meters to a full 10 kilometers in the upgraded air-to-ground configuration. This extension, achieved through refined aerodynamics, a slightly longer 2.3-meter airframe, and optimized propulsion, allows engagements from safer distances, particularly valuable for helicopter platforms. Minimum range remains 400 meters, or 1,000 meters in some variants for safety, maintaining flexibility in close-quarter scenarios. Guidance is where the Khrizantema-M truly excels. It combines millimeter-wave radar ACLOS, automatic command to line of sight, fully fire and forget once locked, with laser beam riding SACLOS. Operators can simultaneously launch two missiles at separate targets, one guided by radar, the other by laser, without interference. Radar provides all-weather, day and night capability, penetrating fog, smoke, dust, or rain, while the laser offers high precision in clear conditions. This dual-mode setup resists electronic jamming and countermeasures far better than radio command systems. Accuracy is exceptional, with CEP under 5 meters. The Warhead options underscore its versatility. Tandem charge heat. Penetrates 1,100 to 1,250 millimeters of rolled homogeneous armor, RAW, behind explosive reactive armor, ERA, easily defeating modern main battle tanks equipped with KONTAKT-5 or relict. Thermobaric variant. Delivers devastating effects against fortifications, bunkers, light vehicles, personnel, and even low-flying helicopters or UAVs. Weighing approximately 46 to 54 kilograms in its launch tube, up slightly in the M variant for added propellant. The 152mm diameter missile features pop-out control surfaces and stabilizing fins for agile terminal maneuvers. It can engage not just tanks but engineering structures, small naval vessels, and aerial threats, making the system multi-role. The Khrizantema-M deploys from two primary platforms, each leveraging the missile's strengths. Ground-based. The 9P157-2 Chrysanthemum S tank destroyer. Mounted on the highly mobile BMP-3 chassis, This vehicle carries up to 15 missiles in an automated magazine with rapid reload. 15 seconds for the first pair. It achieves road speeds of 70 km per hour, swims across rivers, and offers full NBC protection. The elevated launcher with radar and laser designators allows hull-down firing, while the system claims the ability for just 3 vehicles to neutralize 60% of a 14-tank attacking company in under 2 minutes. Automatic target tracking and dual missile salvo capability give it overwhelming firepower in defensive or offensive armored clashes. Airborne integration. Mi-28NM, Havoc, and Ka-52M, Alligator, attack helicopters. This is the game changer in the upgrade. The extended 10 km range lets these gunships strike from well outside most short-range air defenses and manpads envelopes. Recent integrations, highlighted in 2023 to 2025 modernization programs, pair the Khrizantema-M with upgraded avionics, new electro-optical systems, and other munitions like Verba manpads. Helicopters can now engage armored columns proactively, supporting ground forces while minimizing exposure to enemy fire. Overall, the Khrizantema-M enhances Russia's ability to conduct combined arms maneuvers with reduced risk, projecting power across contested battlefields. It counters NATO standard armor effectively while adding air-land synergy that complicates enemy planning. In defensive scenarios, it turns mobile tank destroyers into ambush masters. Offensively, it enables deep strikes that disrupt armored breakthroughs. As global tensions persist and armored warfare remains central to land operations, Russia's investment in the Khrizantema-M signals a commitment to maintaining qualitative edges in key domains. With its extended reach, blistering speed, and robust dual guidance, this upgraded Chrysanthemum is poised to bloom as a decisive factor in future conflicts, delivering precision lethality when and where Russia needs it most.